Now, you have red hair, so I was going to assume that you're the proper Irish Colleen and you have been to Irish college. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me all about it. What's your fondest memory?
I didn't really learn much Irish, to be honest. But
What did you learn?
Fellas.
Did you kiss many boys down in Irish college?
Never kiss and tell.
Probably the fondest memory is doing the Gaelges, dancing around. It was so embarrassing, but we all did it. We all got up and did it.
Probably when I went to Rossmuck in Galway, and we went pier jumping, and it was really sunny. It always seems to be sunny in Connemara.
Well, my fondest memory of the Gaeltacht is getting money from home so I could go to the shop and buy lots of biscuits.
I went to Clash of Sport in Wexford, and God, the only thing I can remember is just the friends I made. I'm still in contact with a few of them.
Do you think it's actually just a rite of passage of Irish young people to go to Irish college? Is that why you would have went?
Yeah, basically, yeah. Yeah, just because everyone else is going, just get to know a few more people.
Just have a laugh and get away from the parents for 2 weeks. Nice one. Did you learn a lot of Irish though?
Not really, to be honest.
Really? Nothing at all?
I tried.
Do you have a couple of fuckle for me now, even?
Tough. Oh, yeah.